Just look around, Connie.
Sonny's gonna get me killed. Yeah, I need to get away from this Sonny. He's gonna get me killed. Shit.
Leatherface stalled out.
Johnny's in the basement. He just came down the middle.
He's starting his chainsaw back up.
Okay. We need to get out of the basement. Johnny's down here.
Bubba is still at the sliding door. He's going around through the back. I opened the sliding door that's in the main houseway.
Okay, I got overgrowth open.
Nice. The house basement. That's what I got.
Okay.
Ah, shit, I got spotted. Oh, shit. I got bones with me. Shit, that's bullshit. Bull.
Hey, Leland, are you kicking the gen? They're coming, Leland. Okay, I got it open. GG. Better cool it, you're starting to bleed. That's crazy how fast she hit me there too. And people who play this game be pretty sus, I'm not even gonna lie. It doesn't really help too that there's like no way to know if someone is cheating or not because there's like no anti-cheat. Brother, why is there a heal right there? Wait, so if I grab a tool here, will it drop the heal on the ground? Wow, the heal just disappears if you do that? That's fucking stupid.
Thank God, it's open.
Oh my god. Fucking Johnny just sitting right there. Gosh. The fuck is happening, dude?
Just keep moving, Connie.
Okay, I'm using my ability. Bro, really? Oh, fucking dead. How do they always know where I am? Dude, how do they always know where I am? Like, what? Like, the Johnny was already waiting there. What the fuck is happening, bro? And then they don't come down here to kill me? The fuck? Dude, I'm so confused. Dude, I don't get it, bro. Probably shouldn't have used my ability there, whatever. Okay, now they're not chasing me? No, they are. He's literally just sitting right up there. Okay. Oh my god. I just don't get how these guys do this with such confidence. I mean, are they a 3-stack or something, or?
I can make it.
Okay, they're chasing someone over at Jen. I have nobody escapes hell, too. Ay, ay, ay. I need people doing fuse and pressure valve right now, too.
Don't let that thing come back.
Fuck, dude. Okay, they're stabbing Grandpa. I guess that's good, yeah. Okay, finally got out. Jesus. The fuck, bro.
I don't know what this is. It might work on those doors.
Okay, the Virginia died. Basement's open, okay. Yeah, I think that's the thing that, like, we need to be doing with these teams. Oh, they DC'd? Or, oh wait, no. My teammate died. I don't have my ability, so we should be probably going for the gate. My teammate got out. Oh shit. Yeah, see, this is what I don't get. Like, how are they so confident with Sissy and Johnny? It's like, dude, it's so bad.
I can't get away. Thank nothing.
I had this guy on my team earlier and he was bad.